Boys, with the holiday season approaching us, it's time to buy gifts for our friends. Might be a little late to this party, boys. I usually do online shopping like way late, and I'm buying Christmas presents for my friends today. So they might get them in May or something. But whatever, it's the thought that counts. Unfortunately, when I give my friends gifts, they aren't functional items. They're just also a massive troll. Boys, let's hop on Wish and try to find my friends the perfect gifts for this season. We're going all out, boys. I got a $500 spending limit. We're shopping online today. Around 500 bucks. Yeah, I'm just gonna try to get them like probably the most disrespectful gifts. It's kind of what I do every year. They don't get me anything, so I mean, you get something from me. Shouldn't even matter what it is at that point. You know what I mean? It's still more than I got. It kind of sucks, man. The reason I only give is to get. But anyway, back in action. We're back in the action. Anyway, boys, please thumbs up, comment down below. What I have written on this box is a couple of search terms that we're gonna find on Wish. If you guys don't know Wish, it's a crap website. It's drop shipping. Everything's super cheap. However, it takes a long time to get here. But they've got some pretty cool items, some of which I have ordered to my door and gotten in trouble with the cops from. So I don't promote any of that. We won't be buying anything illegal today. Nor did I in the past. It was all alleged, but everything is fine. Here's a couple of search terms that I'm looking for, just as we shop for items on Wish. Eating head. Maybe we'll find a shirt that says that. Bad mug. Just gonna search up bad mug. Maybe we'll find a mug that sucks. Gross. I'm looking for gross items here. If they have a bag of dog, I'm fine with that. Asshole. Maybe there's a shirt that says that. I'm fine with it. Guild. You can fill out the blanks of the rest of that word. That's for Ian, actually. I'm gonna put it in his parents' mailbox, even though he lives with me. Attach a little bow to it and like have like kissy hearts being like to Ian. And then bad friend. I'm sure we'll come up with more along the way. But those are our search terms. Boys, let's hop on Wish and buy my friends the perfect gifts. Bars. Alright, boys, incognito mode engaged for reasons you already know about. You catch me every time. Boys, we're looking for the grossest of gifts. When I say gross, I mean absolutely disrespectful. I love this. Alienware engaged. Let's go. Alright, boys, this is going to be a pretty stress-free video in terms of editing, as I think my computer is in the middle of getting hacked or something like that. Oh, first off the bat, front page. Okay, we're getting that. I got about like 15 gifts to get. I don't know if I could get through them all. I got my boy Adam though. He's got a little bit of a belly going on. That's Cameraman Adam, if you don't remember. We're gonna get this right off the bat. 11 bucks. 1 to 2 XL. Dear Lord. Medium, 1 medium. Yeah, we'll buy that. Boys, right here is where we're searching. First keyboard. I'm not gonna say it out loud. Nor can I, because it's not going, bro. Okay. Eating. Alright. Bro, the lag is undeniable. Undeniable lag. Lag! I might have to scrap it. This whole idea. Ugh. Okay, well, if the whole thing's gonna be like this, that was about 5 minutes. We're all effed. I'm gonna buy these socks right here for my boy Ian. I want the slut ones. Oh yeah, gotta get him all of these. Buy now. All right, next. We gotta go down the line a bit, but. Okay, I gotta stop. I think I have to blur those. Bad mug is next. I'm really looking forward to shopping for the dild aspects. Just kidding. No, I'm gonna have to do that one off camera. Just know we're getting the biggest and baddest. What's a bad mug? I don't even know. Whoa, cool. That's so sick. It's like a pressure water. Oh no, it's just it looked like it was like water. It's not. It's just a giant toothbrush for your damn foot. Stupid. Not offensive. Boys, last. Why is breaking? Oh, Breaking Bad mug. Okay, let's try shitty mug. I think we're just gonna have dog poop emojis on it. Now we're lagging again. Every search. Okay, we're off mugs. I'm gonna lag again. Okay, I told you I'm getting hacked as we speak. Oh, I gotta transfer all my passwords over. Oh, this video might not be what you signed up for, boys. I don't want to bet. Oh, bad donkey. Oh, it'd be funnier if it was a cat. Or no, a dog. Because they call them the B word. It'd be better play out. Oh, bad ass. Oh, I get it. Okay, this isn't the video you signed up for, boys. But if I'm just going to get mad at my damn lag on the computer, because this is the one thing that really annoys me, then I guess that's what it is. Next, we're just doing gross. Because that's actually one I want. Okay, so I can give a ton. Oh, do they have any like ball sacks? You know those fake, like from the movie Bad Grandpa? They're like that long. They look really realistic. You just hang it down from your boxers. It's so funny. That would be hilarious. I need to get someone one of those. And then I have to come up with a funny line. As I give it to them, it's like, hey, I think you lost these or something like that. Gross. What's next? And here we go. God, I swear to God, I didn't search that one, guys. Gross. I didn't search that one either. They're really doing me bad on this one. Okay, well, the whole screen needs to be blocked. Block, Brandon. Block for editing. Block for editing. Censor this whole screen. Don't search that, boys. Dear Lord. Selena Gomez. Okay, can we get a bad monkey? Bad mug. I'm still stuck on like just a breakable mug. I want a mug that shatters in your hand the second you hold on to it. That's good. I want a breakable mug. And if they don't have one, I'll just get you a mug and put a slight crack in it. A little drill hole so that the slightest of touch, it's just gonna shatter. Now we have a damn Apple Watch. Shop Amazfit. Wow, they're ripping off Apple and Amazon and Fitbit all in one. That looks like a lawsuit to me. I don't want in. Bad friend. This is something that I was thinking could be good for everyone. You know what I mean? Bad friend t-shirts. I suck. I'm not good as a friend, nor do I care about my friends. And I wear it proudly. Wow. I should just get everyone a little pin like this. Something to really piss you off. Here's your gift. It's a cat pin. What the hell are you gonna do with the cat pin, bro? This one, lame. See you in hell. It's even lamer. What the hell else? I'm out of words. I'm really out of words here. What the hell else? Shard of glass. Close your eyes and open it. Just kidding. That's not. This is all jokes, boys. It's all goofs. You know, sometimes I smoke a little something that I don't recommend, but it's there for my anxiety. Oh, I do need some of these. Guys, do I have to cut it off now? I gotta cut. We didn't get anywhere. I got a stupid Santa Claus fat belly shirt and a damn. Oh, my address has been on the screen the whole time. Okay, I'm cutting this off. This is gonna take more editing than I thought. Bye. Shoot! I got a lot more editing to do. Here's a process of me shopping now. Appreciate y'all for watching. I just thought I'd take you along shopping. Didn't even need to be a video, but I thought it'd be fun. Bye.